Porsche says its new Porsche Macan is a sports car, but our tester Klaus Nietzwitz thinks it's an SUV. At least everyone can agree that it looks good. Klaus is going to give the Macan a real grilling as he takes it on the road near Leipzig. Porsche has moved into the compact SUV market, and it couldn't be doing better. In its first year of production, the Macan sold out. The SUV, which is based on the Audi Q5, seems to be a banker for Porsche. Klaus says when it gets going, you feel good in the driver's seat. It's sporty, but very stable. You need that too. This car holds the road well. That's thanks to Porsche's Torque Vectoring Plus system. It gives the outer rear wheels more power and allows drivers to accelerate faster out of curves. Klaus says the dual-clutch transmission makes the driver's life easier. The steering wheel has paddles that let you go up or down a gear, just as in a sports car. The 3-liter engine puts out a powerful 250 kilowatts. Macan means tiger in Indonesian, and this tiger can really roar. The car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 5.2 seconds. Klaus says the only word for the chassis is perfect. Again, it's like a sports car. It's firm and direct, and it helps to make the steering very precise through the curves. At the apex, you can give it some gas and go into oversteer very easily. The whole thing is very simple and easy to control. All this means that despite their shared origins, the Macan is a totally different beast to the Audi Q5. Klaus wants to know if it copes with rougher terrain just as well, to see if it can really be called an SUV. The series standard off-road setting gives the car an extra 40 millimeters ground clearance. All the relevant systems switch to off-road settings too. Porsche's traction management system allows variable torque distribution, which lets it cover even the most difficult terrain. A 100% grade is no problem for the Macan. The hill start assistant helps keep the speed constant. That also helps on steep downhills. It easily copes with a 45-degree side incline too. The variable torque distribution makes it grab the road surface. Michael Becker from Porsche says the ability to distribute power totally variably according to the driving situation sets their system apart. Torque distribution from the front to the rear axle is completely variable. Our sports cars are rear-wheel driven, which is classic for a sports car. All of Porsche's SUVs are all-wheel drive. The Macan feels almost like a 911, but not quite, because with a weight of 1.9 tons, you never completely forget you're in an SUV. On normal roads, Klaus thinks the Macan drives like any other SUV. It's very firm and very comfortable, so it's got everything you could want from a sports vehicle. The Macan has many sports car features. The dynamic corner light covers the bulb depending on the speed the car is traveling. At the back, the car has 2 double exhaust pipes. The trunk space starts at 500 liters, but that can be increased to 1,500 liters. The design is similar to the Panamera and the 911. A range of 3 engines are offered. We tested the Macan S, which starts at 58,000 euros. If you want your Tiger turbocharged, you'll have to shell out almost 80,000. Klaus says even though the Macan isn't a sports car, it's the sportiest SUV he knows, and it has everything you need, with comfort, luxury, and enough space for the whole family. Audi presents the S1, the souped-up version of the A1. The new model adds a turbocharged 2-liter engine with 230-plus horsepower to the Super Mini, plus 4-wheel drive. It makes the sprint to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6 seconds. The S1 is set to hit the streets in the summer for just under 30,000 euros. Toyota has some new additions planned for the Verso family. On the engine front, they now include the 1.6D 4D, a new diesel unit, and a joint venture of BMW and Toyota. The stop-start system will help keep fuel consumption down to 4.5 liters for 100 kilometers. The new Verso will go on sale in Germany for prices starting at 23,500 euros. Further evolution on the efficiency front is a big issue among car makers. Not to be left in the dust, BMW has a wide range of innovations, covering lightweight construction, smart energy management, and laser headlights. BMW is looking to maximize overall vehicle efficiency, says spokesman Manfred Porschenrieder, a lightweight concept with ideal mass distribution and aerodynamics. BMW wants a dynamic drive system while investing as little energy as possible and recuperating as much as possible. While such efforts used to focus on the engine, today it's about an overall concept. That includes using innovative materials for weight reduction. This component has only half the weight of a conventional solution, stresses lightweight design chief Gerald Kempf. It's made of carbon fiber. He's proud of his department's achievement. Smart and sensible driving also helps to save fuel. And these days, you can get smart assistance from the car itself. When changing gears, for example, or when overtaking. Thanks to sensors detecting the driving situation, the vehicle accelerates only as much as is needed to pass safely. Another crucial part of the economy puzzle is the increasing trend towards alternative drive systems. This X5 is a plug-in hybrid prototype that has an all-electric range of 30 kilometers. Also on board is a smart automatic transmission that helps select the right mode. The X5's design makes it predestined for this new kind of powertrain. The X5 prototype's architecture is comparable to BMW's active hybrid model, says Niels Kaupe. In front, there's the 4-cylinder gasoline engine, plus an 8-speed automatic transmission, and the transducer is replaced by an electric motor. The high-voltage battery is over the rear axle to save space. When it comes to key components such as the electric motor, high-voltage battery, and power electronics, BMW invests heavily in in-house solutions. That ensures all these parts will meet the specific requirements of the model. Electric run devices are another fuel guzzler. Here, for example, we have headlamps without precedent using laser technology. The biggest plus with the headlamps is the throw has been doubled, reveals exterior lighting chief Thomas Hausmann. Visibility at night is up to 600 meters. The laser diodes ultimately work just like LEDs, so they have the same lifespan, at least as long as a car. In terms of efficiency, they're 30% better. The optical system around these diodes can be configured even more efficiently. That saves space, weight, and energy. What's more, with double the output.
Noch effizienter auslegen kann und damit kann ich Bauraum sparen, Gewicht sparen, Energie sparen und das bei der doppelten Performance.
Efficient mobility is like a jigsaw puzzle, made up of many little parts that only work when combined in exactly the right way.